Hello everyone, this is our fully automatic paperback double-side digital printer. The model is CSJ-297ZD. The length of the machine is 7.5 meter. The width of the machine is 1 meter. The height of the machine is 1.6 meter. We specially designed this machine to print every paperbacks in the market. Doesn't matter if it's a small one or big one, if it's with handle or without handle, every paperback in the market can be printed by this machine. Right now we're looking at is the feeding area. We have two feeding methods. This is the feeding platform. The long bale can hold 10 pallets of bags together and will automatically sending the material to this platform. This platform can automatically up and down, and it can connect it with two different feeding methods. This one is the suction feeding, and this one is the friction feeding. Friction feeding is suitable for products without handles.
String for paper bags tend to get tangled up. Before printing, the bag string needs to be detached. If you use paginated feeds, the ropes are twisted together. Failure to issue material damaged. If the paper bag moves on, stacked paper bags can scratch the printhead directly. This is the printhead to become obsolete because the bottom is not flat. When sending paperbacks, you need to use your hands, keep shaking. It's the only way to keep the feed going. Self-absorbing material solves all problems. Adoption of upward suction mode, separate the paperbacks. No need to separate. Single sheet up suction mode to avoid double sheets, jamming, etc. Truly realize the fully automatic feeding production mode. Make production easy, stable, and efficient. In summary, the top suction dispenser, more suitable for the production of paperbacks.
This is the correction platform. It can make sure every bag stays the same position before printing. This is the pressure bar. It can give pressure to the product surface to flatten the product surface before printing. This is the first side printing. The printhead we use is HP OEM A3. The print width is 30 cm. And we have ink tank here. It's very easy to fill in the ink. And we have ink alarming system. It will tell you when to add ink. The printhead part can be controlled up and down, left and right automatically and manually. After first side printing, we go to the turner. The turner can turn the bags to another side. After the turner, the bag will be the same process to print for the second side. This is the correction platform, also stress bar, and this is second side printing. After the second side printing, the bags will go to the automatically receiving belt. You can set up any quantity on the belt and it will counting automatically and moving forward. This machine equipped with two computers, and this is just a normal computer. Every computer already downloads our CSJ printing software. This is our own design and can be controlled remotely. Everything is digital. You can adjust anything: size, ink amount, color. The system can change to your language. So if you're doing business in printing paperbacks, this machine is your best choice.